everyone, this is Jules from Wellste Aluminum. Today I will introduce one of our most popular products for you. Our Spring Button Telescopic Tube. Wellste's Spring Button Telescopic Tube has many advantages. The important one is that we can adjust the height to a fixed position through drill holes on the tube, like this. Also, we will match twist lock with it. This will make it be more stable. When you use it, just pull the button into the tube, then pull it. It will be the length you need. When you close it, pull the button into the tube, then close to the original size. It can bear 3 kilograms load capacity weight. It is used for baggage, tent, table legs, and so on. Wellste has many standard sizes for spring button telescopic tube. We also support custom according to your needs. When you confirm the sizes and the lengths, you can also choose different colors, assembles, parts, straight, scale, skin screen, drill holes, and so on. Finish your products under one roof. Contact us now. We will give you a better solution within 24 hours.